Hi there, this is Atik from RS Design Academy. I hope you have a fantastic day. In this video, I will share with you free download and installation guide Adobe Photoshop Beta. So, let's start. At first, you have to create a new email and log in the browser. I already done. Then you have to search Adobe Creative Cloud. Adobe Creative Cloud. There it is. This one. Be patient. Okay, here it is. Then you have to go here and select here is the Photoshop and go to the free trial. Then you see the three features: individual, teams and student and teacher. You select team. Here you see 14 days free trial, no credit card required. I am selecting this one. Continue. Here is fill your additional details. Business email here. Do this. Just country you must select USA. Yes, I am selecting United States. And state select California. And zip code is here. Also the phone number. Here is important thing. How can you find the USA phone number? Very easy. Just you type the temporary number. Here it is. Just you. Sorry guys. Here is many USA number. Just copy one and paste it here. Okay. Then continue. All done. Then you need a Creative Cloud account. So how can you do this? Just type Creative Cloud account and go to this, and here is sign up. Sign in here. Here you see create a new account. Just click here. Just you type your email address here and password. So here. And then hit continue. Then here you give your name and do this. Here is put your birth date and must select here USA. Here it is. and then done. Here you see the apps. Just click here. Okay. Here you see beta apps. Now you have to restart this PC and open again. Okay friend, after restart the PC, reopen Creative Cloud desktop apps, and here you see the Photoshop beta is now show open. Here you see now show open. Because of this, I already installed this. This is a long time process. Just hit the install button and waiting until the finish. Okay friend, I am opening these apps. Okay friend, here it is, the new Photoshop 2023 beta version. I am opening some photo for tutorial purpose. I am opening this photo. You see the magic, this Photoshop. Just select the lasso tool and select the area and just type here anything. I am type is dog. Just hit the button of generate. You see the magic. Okay, you see. Also, see here is the 3 variation. Just click one of this. And another one. I am selecting this one. Okay friend, if you learned something from this video, just comment. Also don't forget subscribe my channel. Thank you.